All right, welcome back to Building Dad Bod 2.0. It is posterior chain day, hitting deadlifts, sets of 4, followed by RDL 21s. So we're warming up here with 220, just seeing how the body's feeling. Goal is to work up to 365 for sets of 4. I am still starting all my deadlifts from the top. Form's better that way, so I'm just hammering home some form right now, getting the pattern down. Once we hit 300 pounds, the plump cover comes off. That's right. It's not a pump cover for me. It's a plump cover. Adds the fat rolls. So 300 pounds here, 308. We were just hitting 3 here just to warm up. Moving really nice. So next up, moving on to 352. Last warm-up set. If this goes well, then we're going to hit 365. So again, it's moving nice. I think I hit 3 reps here again. Back's feeling good. It's always for me kind of feeling it out, see how the lower back's feeling. So lower back was feeling good. Weight was moving nice. 365. Goal is to hit 4 sets of 4. Show you my first set and my last set here. So again, speed's looking good. Obviously, I'm touch and go off the floor. I'm not going down, pausing at the bottom right now. Just going to keep pushing it, doing it this way from the top, touch and go. And then once I can't hit 4 reps anymore, I'm hoping we'll push it up over 400 pounds before that. Then we'll drop back down, starting it off the floor, see what my form looks like, and we'll build back up, just going dead stop off the floor. Just building right now into the new year though, building the work capacity, building the form, hammering the work capacity. That's why we're doing the RDL 21. So I got 5 reps there. 4 was feeling good. That's good. That tells me I'm good to go up another 5.5 pounds next week. All right, RDL 21s. We're up 5.5 pounds from last week to 231 pounds. Obviously, it's in the name, 21 reps, high volume. So the challenge here isn't so much just that we're going up 5.5 pounds per week, but we're going up 5.5 pounds per week on the previous exercise as well, regular deadlifts, conventional deadlifts. So we're adding volume on deadlifts before we're doing volume on these, so see how it goes. If I get 3 sets, 21 reps, then we move up weight again next week. If I fail, then we'll add another set this week and stick with the same weight. We'll make sure we get our 63 reps, no matter how many sets we got to do. Lightweight. All right, so this is my first set. I'll show you my first set and then just my last 7 reps of my last set. You can see how exhausted I was by the end. But so starting off, 7 reps at the bottom. You can see this week I was smart. I put some dumbbells out at the end of the platform. So if I fail, I'm not going to crush my fingers on the platform. First time I did these, I didn't even think about that. I'm thinking, oh crap, there's nothing to stop the plates at the bottom. I would just have to set the bar down on my fingers. So first 7 always feel not too bad, even in the deficit at the bottom. From the knees, I just go down and I try to be as explosive on the way back up as possible. Really focusing on just being explosive at the top for my lockout. This is where it gets tough, the last 7, when you're going way down into a deficit all the way to lockout. First set already was fatiguing after doing the conventional deadlifts, but overall 231.5 is still moving, or 231, sorry, still moving really nice on the first set. Everything's moving fast, so yeah, we haven't reached our limit yet, so we'll just keep pushing it every week. Slowly building that work capacity, slowly building that strength and endurance. So I'm starting out lighter. I don't want to start right at the peak and just be grinding. 1 set down, 2 to go. Take my breath away. All right, so here's the last 7 reps, full range of motion into a deficit. I had my music blasting, forgot to turn it off for the set, so don't want to get any copyright infringement, so it's just pure silence if you're wondering why there's no noise, no weights clanging or anything like that. So last 7, I wasn't in a rush, just trying to catch my breath basically between every rep. It's amazing when you do this. By the end, you're just gasping for air, trying to get enough oxygen to complete the set. But as you can see, catch my breath down and just do my best to explode back up. It was a grind, but we got the 231, 3 sets of 21. So means next week we are up to 236.5. So after having my lumbar spine fused, I keep talking about work capacity, endurance. When my lower back, they cut through everything in your lower back when they go to fuse it through all the muscles, nerves, everything. So it's a long road back to getting that lower back built back up. So that's the key right now. I just want to really bulletproof that lower back. That way I don't have to worry about it when I'm pushing the weights on conventional deadlifts. Really want to hit a big deadlift. I want to hit 500 pounds before I'm 50. So I'm going to need all the lower back strength and endurance I can get. Here we are doing body weight Nordic curls. So starting off with body weight, and then once I can't feel I'm just too fatigued, then I'll go to the assistance band. And obviously I'm still not getting them without using my hands at the bottom, but I'm just trying to be as slow on the negative as I can, control it as much as I can. And first few reps I was trying to use as little assistance from my hands as possible. You can see the last few reps there, I got to use a little bit more. And then once we go to the band, same thing. I'm just trying to fight it all the way down, and there you can see just a really, really gentle nudge at the bottom to get me going back up. And then again, as I fatigue, you'll just see me starting to use a little bit more hands, But obviously the goal is to get to the point where I don't need to use hands at all. I'd love to be able to get up to doing, say, 10 reps or so with 0 assistance. Can always add more assistance in for higher rep sets after that. But I'm loving the Nordic curls, man. They really challenge the hamstrings. Hit it in a different way than hamstring curls do. Obviously, still every squat day hitting seated hamstring curls though, because they hit different than the Nordic curls. After my 3 sets of Nordic curls, then I'm hitting 3 sets of hamstring rollouts. Just hitting these high reps, many reps as possible till my legs are just absolutely on fire. That's it for the workout. Thanks for watching. Have a great night.